If you need to send a file quickly and keep everything organized in one place, attaching a document from Google Drive to an email is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to attach a document to an email in Gmail using Google Drive, step by step, so you can share files the right way without confusion. This is especially useful if your document is already stored in Drive, if it's too large to send as a normal attachment, or if you want to give someone access to a shared file instead of sending a separate copy. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign into the Google account that contains the document you want to share. Once Gmail loads, look for the Compose button on the left side of the screen and click it to open a new email window. This creates a blank message where you can add your recipient, subject, and file. Now, at the bottom of the email window, you'll see several icons. Look for the Google Drive icon, which looks like a triangle. Click that icon to open your Drive files directly from inside Gmail. This is the key step that lets you insert a document from Google Drive without downloading it to your computer first. When the Drive window opens, you'll be able to browse your files and folders, find the document you want to attach, then click it once to select it. If you need to search for the file, you can use the search bar in Drive to make the process faster. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct document, especially if you have multiple versions saved. After selecting the document, Gmail will give you two sharing options. The first option is Drive Link, and this is usually the recommended choice. A Drive link shares the file as a link, which is great for larger documents and makes it easier for the recipient to open the file online. The second option is Attachment, which is better for smaller files when you want the document sent as a traditional file attachment. If you're not sure which one to use, Drive Link is usually the safer and more flexible option. Once you've chosen the sharing method, click Insert. Gmail will place the document into your email message. If you selected Drive Link, you'll see the file linked in the body of the email. If you selected Attachment, it will appear attached to the message just like a normal file. Next, fill in the recipient's email address in the To field. Then add a subject line that clearly explains what the email is about. After that, type your message in the body of the email. You can write a short note like asking the person to review the document, sign it, or read it when they have time. Keeping your message clear and professional makes it easier for the recipient to understand what the document is for. Before sending, take one last look to make sure the correct document is included and the right sharing option is selected. If you use the Drive link, remember that the recipient may need permission to view the file depending on your sharing settings. So if needed, you can adjust the access settings in Google Drive before sending the email. When everything looks good, click Send, and that's it. You've successfully attached a document from Google Drive to an email in Gmail. This is a simple but powerful skill that can save you time and help you share files more efficiently. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.